Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install fonts in Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. At first, just open up your browser. Then on Google, search for Google Fonts. Then just go to the first link whenever it loads. From here, just select the font you like. Just select any font, whichever you like. Then just click on Get Font. From here, click on Download All. Then just wait for it to download. There you go, the download has been done. Just open the folder. Then you can just drag it to your desktop. Then you can double click on it to open it. Then click on extract. Then extract all the file onto the desktop. Click on OK. And then just open this folder. In here, you'll find the installation files. Just open them. Then just click on install. Then just wait. Close this. Then just open the other one and click on install. And done. And the fonts have successfully been installed into your PC. And that is how to install fonts on Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.